This is a final video to fix Star Wars, Outlaws black screen and crash on PC. Are you seeing a black screen or your game crashing every time you launch it? This usually happens because your graphics settings or game files get messed up. Many tutorials online are too long, confusing, or require messing with multiple files, and that can make the problem worse. But today, on Rexish, I'll show you a simple trick that can get your game running in minutes. All you need is one easy step that fixes the files and settings automatically. If you want, I can make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly what to do to stop the black screen and crashes for good. Comment below, and I'll guide you through it. Don't waste hours on complicated fixes. This trick works fast and safely.